Good evening, friends. This is my first lecture on game theory. What is game? Game is defined as an activity between two or more person involving activities by each person according to set of rules. Okay, at which each receives some satisfaction or suffers some losses. Now we will move to the classification of the game problems. First is your pure strategy. This we need to solve by the maximin or minimax principle. And then the second is your mixed strategy problems. In this there are three types. First one is your 2 into 2 matrix. This you have to solve by the analytical method. Second is your 2 into n or n into 2 matrix. This you have to solve by the graphical method. Third is your m into n order matrix. This you need to solve by the dominance principle. Now we will move to the problems. First of the priori strategy. This is a problem in the pure strategy. Here the given matrix may be in square matrix or maybe in a rectangular matrix. So we need to solve it here. So we will follow the basic step to solve it. First, write the matrix given as it is. So solution, write the matrix as it is. Four column, 3 row. So 1 7 3 4 5 6 4 5 7 2 0 3. This is your player A and this is your player B. Name it as B1, B2, B3 and B4. Here A1, A2 and A3. So we'll see in a basic step. What is the basic step for solving the pure strategy problems? Here is the rules for determining. First we need to find the saddle point. How we need to find the saddle point? First step, select the minimum element. Select the selection of the minimum element of each row of the payoff matrix. This is our payoff matrix and mark by circle. First we will go for the row. Here we will write row minima. We will find in a minimum value from each row. Here it is 1 and we will mark it as a circle. This is our minimum value and we will mark it as a circle. Here also and here also. And in the second row we are having the minimum value as a 4. Mark it as a circle. Here also you do it circle. In the third row we are having minimum value as a 0. Mark it as a circle. And here also write it 0 and mark it as a 0. Okay, now moving to the first step is my over. Now moving to the second step. What is second step? Select the greatest element. Here we have to select the greatest element of each column of the payoff matrix and mark it by rectangle. In the row we have selected the minimum value and we had marked it by circle. In case of the second step, we have to select the maximum value from the each column and we have to mark it as a rectangle. So here is my column maximum. Here we need to select the maximum value. In this first column we have a maximum value 7 and we have to mark it as by rectangle. Here also mark it by rectangle. In the second column we are having maximum value again 7, mark it by rectangle. Here also by rectangle. In the third column we are having maximum value as a 4, mark it as a rectangle. Here also you mark it as a rectangle. Okay, now in the fourth step you are having the maximum value as a 5. Okay, mark it as a rectangle. Here also you mark it as a maximum value as a rectangle. Okay, now where you got the circle and the rectangle intersection, you draw one horizontal and vertical line there. So draw the horizontal line. Draw it horizontal line, naming it as optimal strategy. Optimal strategy. and here in vertical is your here. This your vertical column will be drawn in a vertical line and name it as optimal strategy. Okay, this is your easy method to solve the pure strategy problems. Okay, now we'll move to the third step. What's third step? If there appears one element in the payoff matrix marked by circle and rectangle, both the position is it is your saddle point. So this is my saddle point. Okay, now we need to find the solution for this. Now solution for this format of the solution, you just follow it, where you can write each and everything. So solution, first write the saddle point. Okay, first write the saddle or the optimal strategy, both are same thing. So write the saddle point. So our saddle point is this. What is the location of this? Location is A2 and B3. Location is A2 B3. So this will be our saddle point. So saddle point is your A2 B3. This is my saddle point. Okay, now to obtain in a solution, first write here solution. First thing, the best strategy for player A. The best strategy for player A. For best strategy for player A is your A2. Where is the horizontal line is there na? That is your best strategy for the player A. So this is your A2. For second step, the best strategy for player B. For player B, it is your vertical line. Okay, only one vertical line is there, so this will be your B3. Okay, in third case, now we need to find the value of the game. Third, value of the game. What is the value at the saddle point? That is your value of the game. So value of the game is your 4. Value of the game is 4. Oh, one mistake I did here. Value of the game is not here 4. For value of the game, there will be two cases. First case, for player A, it is the value at this of the saddle point. For A, it is your 4. Value of the game for player A, it is in a value of the saddle point. Okay, now for B, it is negative of the player A, so it is your -4. This is your 4B. Also one thing here, write the type of the game in this solution. Type of game. Since the value of the game is not 0, okay, write it here as it is the maximum value of the row minimum. This is maximum value. Maximum denoted by V small bar, and here the minimum value is here, this one, minimum value by V bar here. For the type of the game, since v bar maximum value minimum value is your maximum value here. Maximum value in the row side is your 4. So since it is not 0, so a type of the game will be strictly deterministic. If the value, if in case if the value of the game, if the value of the game and this v bar and v under bar is your 0, then it is in a case of the fair bar. So I hope this completes our problem. So I hope you had enjoyed. Okay, thank you very much.